Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, cargo net, low tire pressure warning, compass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.